Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be swapping out my rear bumper end caps. So I was backing up, I hit a stinking bush, and this happened. I'm just like, seriously, these new cars hit a bush and the bush wins? But I have replacements. They're just the chrome ones, they're not the color-coded ones like the truck came with. But they were about 68 bucks on Amazon.com. Link will be in the description. And there are 4 clips you got to pull out. The first 2 are down here, kind of by the license plate. The other 2 kind of wrap around down here. There are also 2 more, so conveniently located between the bumper and the lower bed of the truck. So what you'll want to do is take a flathead screwdriver like this one right here and just start popping these out. And if they're in there, just don't be afraid to work with them a little. There we go. And also try not to break them like I just did. And then the fun part, getting the ones in here. There we go. Otherwise, just be patient, because if your tool hits here, you're going to scratch your truck. And then just go ahead and pull it off. And there we go. And here it is. It's literally just a piece of plastic. You can even see where it took a punch there. Yep. And then just put this little clamp back in place that fell off and you're ready for install. It goes right here. And then another interesting turn, in order to install the bumper end caps, you need to take the bumper cover off. And here's the bumper cover. It's doable, but it's going to be a battle. You basically have to fight all these tabs on both sides. Here they are on the passenger side. And then your tag lights, your trailer light harness, or in my case, the blank where it would have been, and your license plate. So we'll go ahead and start installing. And these just kind of pop into place. Then just same thing on the other side. Just push it in. Also, a little tip, if you do this and have to walk away from it, tuck your tag light wires away. This way someone doesn't come and cut them. And then just put your bumper cover back on. It snaps into place. I did get it recorded, but let's just say I look like a plumber and leave it at that. Then your wiring harness, or your wiring harness blank. Then your tag lights. Then secure your license plate, but first put the pin back that belongs here. Then just put the rest of your push pins and bolts back, but you know about that. And here we go, the finished product. Here's a before and after. And I know some guys don't like the chrome look, but I don't mind it. I don't think it looks that bad. I don't like having my vehicle messed up. That's what I don't like. But if your truck came from the factory with chrome and you want them color keyed, just do the opposite of everything I just did, make it yours. But honestly, make trucks durable again, amongst other things. If I were really that much of a nut about fuel economy, I wouldn't have bought a truck. And don't forget, new videos every Sunday. Like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I will see you guys next week.